Good morning. So tomorrow I have selected a few stocks, and also we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming week. And we have a good week coming up. That is Diwali. So happy Diwali in advance to everyone. Okay. So right now, which we can see a trend in Nifty and Bank Nifty is really clear. It's just upfront clear. It's a downward trending market in Nifty and in Bank Nifty. But although if I show you the comparison, Nifty has made, you can call it a triple bottom type of pattern, whereas Bank Nifty has made a double bottom within the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and in the hourly time frame you can see that it has closed on a positive basis. That doesn't mean that it's positive. Okay, people were trying to buy the dip. That's what Indians usually do. But in a trending market, it's always advisable that you follow the trend. Wherever the trend is going, you should go with the trend in order to be sticking on to your options, or your position for a long time. If you are taking any trade in the opposite direction, you have to square off, or you have to be vigilant at what your directional trade is going. So right now, if I am selecting Nifty, I would rather be on a sell side because it's looking a bit weaker than Bank Nifty. It was unable to recover from these levels. So if tomorrow it opens at 17,600 and 600 700 levels, or say it would definitely be either a gap up or a gap down, a huge gap up or a gap down. But if it's somewhere at 50-60 points, I would rather go for a sell. Okay, and yeah, I would go for a sell only if it crosses 17,624 and it comes down slowly. So that would be my first priority. In Bank Nifty, if I come and show you, this would be a good point, which is 38,167 to be considered as a good target for your sell zone. But tomorrow, if it opens with a huge gap up, say 39,500, it's opening at around this point, I can expect it to come up a bit, depending upon the sentiments, and then perhaps we can see a potential selling pressure to come down to this level. Okay, so let's see what happens, to what extent the news is, might influence this market. But obviously we have to go with the trend right now, and the trend is a clear bearish trend. You can also see in the hourly time frame that Bank Nifty did take a support, but at these levels, which is not coming into confluence with the other points. That is, I would have considered this to be a good support level for Bank Nifty, which is 37,932, but it did bounce off from 38,382 levels, which is okay. I'm getting it. There might be a potential buying taking place at this point, near about to this support. So tomorrow, let's see if it breaks this support once again, it would be a sell. And you can see the hourly time frame, it's a clear downtrend again. This was a very important zone where Bank Nifty had broken more than 2000 points. It had rallied upward and then it came down 2000 points. So let's see what happens. Again, we have a selling opportunity in Bajaj Consumer. Since the trend is downwards, that's why we are aiming for the stocks on the sell side. Okay, so Bajaj Consumer, you can see that it had broken a really critical zone, 233 level, where it had previously given a breakout. Okay, the same level, and it had rallied from this point. But now, since it had broken, we can get a good selling opportunity, provided that the sentiments are negative, and the target would be 206 in Bajaj Consumer. Coming up to Wipro, guys, Wipro might be a good buying stock, because I'm bullish on in this stock. And since it came down, you can consider this to be a good dip. If it bounces from 624 with a bullish candle, then I would recommend you can go for a sell, but only if it makes a bullish candle somewhere around here and it's crossing the high and it's sustaining, then only you can go for a buy towards the upward level. Otherwise, I would recommend to wait for it to come to even potential these levels, which would be really nice. So this would be the level where it can also come down to, but the chances are low. But if it comes down, you can definitely go for buy. 559 would be an important level also in Wipro. Okay, for all of those people who are trading in US stocks, stock which has given a clear breakout, which is Tesla at 1193 level, okay, and formed a bullish type of candle in the hourly time frame. So you can invest in this stock, as if you want to diversify your portfolio, which is always a good option. Okay, coming on to Reliance, guys. Reliance would be at a selling zone still, although it has closed in a similar pattern like Bank Nifty. I would recommend you can go for a sell till this point. If it comes down and it crosses this swing over here, okay, and you can expect a good selling till this point. But again, Reliance might be behaving just like Nifty, so keep a watch out when you are investing in Reliance. ITC, again, a really nice selling opportunity over here, but I would say that the selling opportunity, right now, the risk to reward ratio in the selling opportunity would not be that high, because if your opportunity was there, it would have been at this level, which is 228, would have been a good selling point for this ITC stock. But it had given a breakdown. It came up for a retest right about 228 levels, and now it's coming down once again. So you can get a sell to 216 levels, okay. And this would be a really nice trade, a highly profitable trade in your favor. Bajaj Finance is again into a selling zone. So yeah, all the stocks which I would be covering right now is from a selling point of view. Right now, if it breaks this point, because it's taking a support over here, 7,360 levels. Once it breaks this point, we can expect a good downfall in Bajaj Finance also to 6,300 levels, because this stock has rallied a bit, and I think it should come down for some amount of correction. But you have to wait for it to break down and sustain at these levels. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video, and definitely make sure to follow the risk management and money management, whatever your portfolio might be. And just because it's Diwali, that doesn't mean that you would go all in. Okay, and I'll meet you in the Telegram channel, updating you regarding the position if I'm taking any, and hopefully we can make a good one before Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. Take care.